Hey, what's up everyone? DayTraderRockStar here, and an important video, two videos. I actually put out a review video just before, but I also wanted to put out a video for Kick-Ass Trade of the Week. Kick-Ass Trade of the Week is usually off the 10 for 1,000 watch list, a video watch list I send out to members of Day Trading Radio, and it's usually the number one pick of the week. And this week, this is a stock I've been following for a long time, and Brazilian foods, and it's given all the indications of a major breakout coming up. So I want to just throw it out to everyone out there subscribing to YouTube as a little gift. Everything's setting up perfectly. There's a little pennant formation, which is not the most reliable pattern. You could easily see this break down sometimes, but we got a nice crossover in the stochastics. And what looks really good here is this has been a very strong stock, and we've kind of consolidated over the past year, and now we've gotten tightened up, and we're pushing up against 52-week highs. We just got a nice rollover, crossover on the stochastics. So a measured move out of this move would be about $25. This is just a textbook level, entry in this zone right now. The stochastics crossed over. I did a whole post on this week's potential rally in the markets. I want you guys to take a look at that on the site. That's on DayTraderRadio.com, and I do a nice little write up there. It's free and stuff. You could just look at it. I'm looking for a decent rally early part of this week based off of multiple things, but mostly because the large component stocks are all setting up in a very similar fashion, that they're oversold. They all have given us some pretty decent signals on the HPS methodology, underlying patterns that are setting up. The stochastics, which are oversold, turning up to the upside. So everything's looking for a decent move early this week. And Brazilian foods, a stock that could really move fast and hard. Measured move out of a pennant area. You take the extent, the width of the beginning of the pennant, and basically it's about 4 points, and we look for that breakout from 20 to 20. So I'm looking for about $24 to $25 target on this, but would probably be scaling out as we broke above $22 and scaled out into strength. Because you can see how volatile a stock like this is. You could get, once you get into that overbought level, you definitely see a pullback. You don't really want to hold on to a stock if it's pulling back for 2 weeks. It just becomes a frustrating thing there. But everything pointed to a crossover here, possible breakout. Definitely going to be the focus stock for me this week, plus the other 10 stocks that I have on the watch list, and really good ones. Last week we closed out the week really talking about the basic material stocks moving up, U.S. Steel, even the coal sector is starting to break out. We're actually starting to move out of a base, not breaking out of anywhere yet. But so many good setups this week. I got some railroads, I got some oil sector stocks, coal stocks, of course, and steel stocks. Johnson & Johnson. Great watch list. But the Brazilian food, something I want to throw out to you, and also want you to definitely check out the latest post on the site, which talks about the rally that I'm expecting Monday or Tuesday. If we had a gap down early Monday, a slight gap down, I would think it would be a great opportunity for the positions in the watch list. So I'm not, not saying that we might not get a slight little pullback before we get a ramp up and a rally this week. So that's just a fast little watch video for you. I hope you appreciate it, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the market. I broadcast each and every day, starting at 8 o'clock at DayTradingRadio.com. You can even listen on your iPhones or your any type of your mobile devices. If you're at work and stuff and you want to follow along the market, go right ahead. All right, thanks.